guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy PR package for the month of November. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it's a beauty subscription membership. They have the base box, which is $13 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products. And they have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $28 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty items. So I'm super excited. It looks like it's a huge box this month. And yeah, let's get started to the unboxing. Alright, so here's the box, and it says Discover Yourself. And right here we have the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So let's see first the card and the theme for this month. Okay, so the theme for this month is Ipsy Royal Treatment, and it's a really cute design with lots of different colorful flowers. I think this is for like the fall vibe. And then it says November 2021, your throne awaits. Ladder on ultra moisturizing formulas adorned with accessories and indulge in extra dessert, because this month it's all about you. This is super cute. So now let's see the bags. So I'm gonna start with the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is this one, really pretty. It's like an olive green. It's super soft. It's like really cozy. And then right here is the logo, Ipsy. So let's see all of the items inside. And the inside is like a burgundy color. Alright, so let's see everything. Unfortunately, like always, I tell you guys, I don't know the price of any of these items. I don't, like, the card doesn't say it. But I could tell you like more or less if it's like a sample deluxe size product or if it's like a full size product. So let's see all the items here, and then we'll read about it in the product itself. Alright, so the first product is from the brand Sugar Rush. This is the sister brand of Tarte, the brand Tarte. So here's the little packaging. It's really pretty. It says that it's a cake butter, whipped body butter. Okay, so it's a whipped body butter. I love these, and they're very handy when you like go out or something. You just put it in your purse, and you need to like put a little bit extra, because for example, my hands are like really dry, and I usually have them on my back, and this is like the perfect size for that. So I like that. Next is this product from the brand Danessa Myricks Beauty, and it's a Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color. Okay, so it's a multi-use color for the lips, the cheek, and the eye. Okay, so the color is called Vision Flush Tiara, and it's like a kind of it looks to me like a highlight color, not like a matte. It has a lot of glitter, so let me take it out to show you guys. I believe it's like a gold shimmery tone. So this will be perfect for like highlighter for your cheeks. I think it will look super cute, and your eyes. And you can even use it on the lips, which is super crazy. I've never heard of anything like this. So I'm super excited I got this product to try it out. Next, we have a luminizing primer from the brand Seraphim Botanicals. It says Camelina Plus Strobe Luminizing Primer. So I've been getting a lot of primers lately. So this is really good because primers are helpful to stay so that your foundation stays in place longer, and to like they have specific purposes, different primers for different things. There could be to hydrate your skin, to hide your pores, etc. etc. So this one, it says tired looking skin instantly comes to life with this natural looking glow enhancing formula. Our luminizing primer provides a smooth, lustrous base for any makeup application and boosts the look of dual sallow complexions, a touch of subtle iridescence. Okay, it says that it's formulated with hydrating rose hydrosol and nutrition-rich camelina gold of pleasure seed oil to help skin achieve a silky radiance and brightness. Okay, that's just wonderful, and I can't wait to try this. Next, we have, I think it's a lip oil. Let me read what it says. It says it's from the brand Sophia Plus Mabel. It's called Beach Please. It's a tinted lip oil, and it's a really nice color. It might tint a little bit of your lips, so it looks more like natural, so that's cute. And next, from the Glam Bag, is from the brand Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And I think it's a pretty decent size for a hair mask, so that's nice. So we're done with the Glam Bag. Now let's go to the Glam Bag. Now let's go to the Glam Bag Plus. But before we do that, I see here that there's some products from the Refreshments line. So it's an additional cost of products that you get. I'm not sure if it's monthly or every once in a while. They do send these refreshments with an additional cost. I believe if you're in the subscription, it's gonna cost $5 more. Don't quote me on that, but I will be putting the link so you guys can check it out if you want to subscribe. And right there they have all the information you need for Ipsy. So refreshments are usually things that you run out every like month or so. Sample like shampoo or razor, makeup wipes, shaving cream, etc. Essential things that you need to have and you run out of easily like within a month or so. Right, so now the first thing I have here is the All Might Moisture Shampoo in Freesia Float. So their products are usually like fruity, like a nice floral scent. It's really cool. And this says that it soaks up marvelous moisture, reduce franky frizz, leaves hair silky soft and shiny, hydrates hair, and it helps protect against humidity. I need this. Really, I need it. Especially living here in Florida, there's a lot of humidity, so that's really nice to have. Next, we have, like I was saying, this is the Pillowy Shave Cream in Citrus Spritz. I love it. I have used it since they started sending me refreshments, and it's amazing. It leaves your skin super soft after you shave, like while you're shaving it, and smells amazing. And the last thing that they sent from refreshments is the Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit, and this one is in the style Pink Bubbly. So let's open it so you guys can see it. I have another one of these and it's like super cute. Okay, so this is the razor. It's a pretty amazing quality razor. It weighs a little bit, which means that it's really good quality. I like it. It's like a rose gold and then pink right here. And it comes with the 2 razor replacements right here, as you can see. So this is pretty cool. I like that they're including all this in Ipsy, and you guys should definitely check it out because these products are amazing. Now let's go with the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the string bag. Is super cute. I love this royal blue. All right, so the first item is from the brand Jensa, and this is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Let's see the inside of this mask. The pretty cute packaging. Has a nice packaging. Everything is sealed. And let me read a little bit about what it is. Powered by a Super Orange Essence, nourishing mask and face polish in one. It hydrates to leave skin smooth, subtle, and radiant. Pumpkin boosts collagen, and turmeric soothes skin. And they are free of parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, phthalates, animal cruelty. So it's just amazing. And right here in the packaging, you could actually see the Superfood Cosmetic A Super Orange Essence. You can see everything that it's made of. Example, pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger care, honey, and orange. Okay, so now let's see the other item. Alright, so next item is from the brand Glossier, and this is a Milky Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. So I believe this is part of the Ipsy Glam Bag. Everything was like everywhere, like between the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So I believe this is the size for the Glam Bag. Next is this amazing mascara from the brand Thrive Cosmetics, and it's the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and it helps to length and volume. And I have tried this product in sample size from Ipsy, and this is the full size. And it's pretty big. And what I like about this mascara is that when I take it off, it doesn't like damage my eyes. It goes off smoothly and it's really nice. I really like it. Next product is from the brand BFF, Best Face Forward, and it's a balancing serum plus AHA, BHA, HA, niacinamide. It's oil-free hydration, helps to balance oil production and prevents future breakouts. So that is just incredible. And right here is the serum, so you guys can see the packaging. It looks like it's a really like thick product, which is nice for serums. Last but not least is this El Maquillage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in the shade Bella. So let's open the packaging so you guys can see it. It's a really gorgeous packaging. I know that their packaging is always amazing. So first of all, the packaging, like I said, is awesome. I can't like get enough of it. Now let's see the inside. Oh, check this out. I hope you guys can see the texture of this lipstick. It is so gorgeous. It's like a red orangey tone, and it looks kind of like sparkling as well. It's just beautiful, and I love this. So that's it for all of these glam bags. I hope you guys liked everything, this unboxing. Thank you very much, Ipsy, for sending me this amazing November bag. I loved everything, amazing products to try out. So guys, check it out. I'll be putting my link in my description if you guys want to sign up. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!